In today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on ABBV stock. Friends, I just want to update you that this stock is currently on a verge of breakout due to multiple positive factors trigger on this stock simultaneously. And as a result of that, it gives us an opportunity to go long with this stock to initiate a buy position before a big rally started on the upper side. And this stock is also trading near to an important resistance level. If that level get break along with multiple positive factors which has been already been materialized, then we could see a massive upside rally, and that could allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock before an swift rally start. My dear friends, I just want to make you update. If you could make a closer look over here, you will be able to see that this was on top on this stock, and this was a top where the correction started and it came all way down in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as this stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock was triggered with multiple lower lows. If you could see over here, the first lower lows over here, the first lower lows trigger over here, the second lower lows, third lower lows, and the last lower lows over here. And as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, first time its lower lows shifted to higher highs, and that give us an confirmation that stock has completed the corrections. Here we got two major positive signal, friends. The first positive signal is that upward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, and the second major positive signal is the higher highs shifted to the lower lows shifted to higher highs, and that give us a confirmation, as I told you, that stock has officially completed the correction. Unless and until it doesn't threat the lower lows, or it doesn't give the closing below the previous lower lows, we will take this as a confirmation that stock is ready for an upside move. Because here, whenever, my friends, you will find the lower lows shifted to higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. And my dear friends, here we will also notice the third positive signal. If you'll place, or if you'll keep an RSI indicator on the chart, you'll be able to see the positive diversion over here. The price actions lower low swing, if you'll see, it's coming all the way to the downside, and the same RSI lower low swing, if you'll see, it's moving on the upper side. And here we are about to get the breakout. The moment it will get breakout from this level, then from this level up, you will be able to see a speed upside move. And my dear friends, here we will also check the positive chart structure. If you'll make a closer look over here, you will be able to identify and parallel channel. If you'll see here, you will able to see the parallel channel is almost about to break out. Any moment the stock could give, its stock can give you the upside breakout, but for that we need a closing. Don't blindly, my dear friends, keep one thing in your mind. Don't simply go and blindly buy this stock unless you won't get closing above this level. You have to wait for closing above this neckline. You have to wait for closing above 176.75. Once you get a closing above 176.75, then this will be a right time to take a trade for an buy side. Don't do immature, trade. Don't do immature trade. If you'll take a trade before this neckline and stock fail to break the neckline, then you will be get trapped, my dear friends. So don't get stuck into the trap. You have to take the position only once the breakout get broken out and give you the closing above the neckline. We have to wait, not only the break. After breaking, we need a closing above neckline. No one will share you all this informations. These all are, important secrets which they will give you only to the mentorship who pay the, they will charge the mentorship fees, and they pay thousands of dollars, and then they will give you all these secrets. But in my channel, I am giving you all this knowledge free of cost, my dear friends. So you have to wait for the neckline to be get broken out, and then you will get a trade and the target. Soon you will be able to see the first target of this stock will be 180. 180 will be the first target, and there might be a possible the stock may go to come to fill the gap over here. And if you want to keep a stop loss, then you can keep the stop loss the midline of this parallel channel, that will act as an important support. So if you can keep the stop loss below this important support, and we will mark in red color. And if you see the risk to reward ratio, your risk will be this much and your reward will be more. So it's almost 1 is to 1.5. That's a good bet to take. But as I told you, my dear friends, you have to wait for the neckline. Don't simply blindly go and take the position. Don't do that. All right, and my dear friends, I just want to update you that this once this neckline will get broken out, then this area will act as an important support, because multiple positive factors got trigger over here. This is an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side. This is an area where we have seen the lower lows shifted to higher highs. This is an area where we have seen the positive diversion between the price actions and RSI indicators. And this is an area we are waiting for the positive chart pattern parallel channel to get broken out on the upper end. The moment it will get broken out, the moment that this parallel channel get break, this important resistance level will become an important support, and you have to place your stop loss below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. If you like my channel, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please support me to subscribe my channel, so that I can make the more important videos, good analysis where you will get an enthusiasm, and even you also earn and I also earn by by helping my channels get subscription. Thank you, my dear friends. Bye bye.